Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this quick tip, I'm going to show you how to set up your business name Credibly to get approved for credit lines, loans, and business credit cards. So it's very important that you use your exact legal business name on all documentations online and offline. Your full business name should include any recorded doing business as, or DBAs, that you may actually have. And you want to ensure your business name is exactly the same on all of your corporate papers. So this means with the Secretary of State, this means your bank statements, your utility statements, Yelp, Bing, Yahoo, your Facebook page, your website. These are all sources that the reporting agencies in the business space like Dun & Bradstreet get information from and to actually put into a database with LexisNexis, Small Business Financial Exchange, that lenders are then cross-checking your application against to determine if you should be approved or denied for financing. So make sure your address meets these requirements so you have the best chance of getting approved for loans, credit lines, and business credit cards.